Today we are commissioning critical infrastructure that will enhance conservation efforts and improve operational effectiveness in our protected areas. These facilities will provide better working conditions for our rangers and strengthen the protection of vital ecosystem. Ladies and gentlemen, beyond this infrastructure, the project has invested significantly in capacity development through training programs on ecological monitoring, landscape data collection, landscape analysis, and modern conservation practices.
The facilities being commissioned today represent more than physical infrastructure. They symbolize our shared commitment to protecting biodiversity, strengthening conservation management, enhancing ecological monitoring, and supporting sustainable management pathways for local communities. Biodiversity conservation cannot be achieved by any single institution acting alone. It requires coordinated action, sustained investment, and shared ownership of our natural resources. The Food and Agriculture Organization again stands ready to continue supporting Nigeria in advancing its commitments under the conservation of biological diversity and coming Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework, the Sustainable Development Goals, and the national environmental priorities.
Our elders of Udo community, I will beg them so that they can leave the bush, let it be green like this all the time. The hunters, the timber contractors, I have been warning all of them. I have series of meetings with them to desist from hunting in that national park. So all I want to say, I'm giving you a promise. Seeing you in my community today, I'm giving you the assurance that there is nothing will happen to this reserve.
As a government, we recognize the increasing threat posed by climate change, deforestation, flooding, erosion, land degradation, and biodiversity loss. These challenges require collective actions and innovative solutions. My administration remains fully committed to policies and programs that promote environmental sustainability, ecosystem restoration, climate resilience, and responsible natural resource management. We continue to work closely with the federal government, international organizations like the FAO, development partners, private sector stakeholders, and local communities to advance sustainable development and improve the quality of lives of our people. On behalf of the Edo State government and the people of Edo State, I thank all our partners for their support and reaffirm our commitment to environmental sustainability and biodiversity conservation.